Hey everyone, welcome back into our Tuesday night newscast. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about the weather, and today was a pretty good day. We had lots of sunshine, but chilly temperatures. We were expecting warmer air, but that may be moving our direction tomorrow, and no real weather on the horizon. We'll tell you about that in more detail in just a little bit. Another great photograph of the auroras, this one taken by a guy who takes pictures of them at all times. Gary Kahlberg was able to capture this beautiful aurora in the Fox area. It looks like a giant eyelid, doesn't it? Isn't that amazing? The clouds underneath here, and of course the stars above. Great photograph. And as always, if you have a photograph that you'd like to share, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. Beautiful colors on that shot. Here are your numbers. 34 for the high day. Told you it wasn't that warm. 22 the low last night. The record high 65 in 1969. Down to 3 degrees below zero for the overnight record low in 1913. Sunrise and sunset, well, we've gone into that 10-hour barrier, and we're expecting just to lose 6 more minutes tomorrow. On the satellite and radar, all of the energy is south of the Alaska Range. More rain falling across southeast Alaska, but nothing going on across the interior and the northern sections of Alaska. Just a few clouds around Nome and over the southwest part of the state. And as far as the rest of the state is concerned, again, the rains have finally stopped over southeast Alaska, just 48 degrees and cloudy skies at Ketchikan. Even a shower, a thunderstorm in the area today around the Juneau area, 46 degrees there. Anchorage, partly cloudy, 47 degrees. Kodiak, a few light showers, and 49. More rain falling across the Aleutian Chain at Cold Bay, 44 degrees. Bethel, 43. Nome, a chilly 36 degrees, but even colder at Barrow, 24 degrees for their high today, while Fort Yukon had a high of 27. In the lower 48, again, we're looking at, well, the rains have finally stopped over the Pacific Northwest, still 62 degrees in Seattle, and even some thunderstorms around the Los Angeles area today. We'll show you that on the satellite and radar in just a little bit. 81 degrees at Denver, now 90 degrees at Dallas-Fort Worth. Minneapolis, 60 degrees, and over the eastern half of the country, looking at partly cloudy skies in New York, 70s for New York and Washington, D.C., thunderstorms around the Miami area, and then 80s down to the south. This area of low pressure you're watching the last couple of days, still moving across the Great Lakes, and that's helping to bring the showers over the northeast, but the rest of the country, boy, not a whole lot going on until you get around the southern California area. This area of low pressure here is spinning around, helping to generate a few showers and thunderstorms, and still some moisture ready to move back onto the Seattle area for more rainfall there. Now, as far as what lies ahead over the deep south, hot weather, 10 to 15 degrees above normal, little or no rainfall and low humidities, and that's going to continue because the jet stream is way up to the north, allowing all that warm air to come up from the south. Just the opposite over the northeast, cool, wet, even maybe some mixed precipitation in the forecast. Well, it's time once again for our kids' weather. And this week we're talking with the kids from Crawford Elementary School. Here's a young man with a really good picture about a weather phenomena he was part of.
So when I was about 6 months old, my family saw that in the forecast, Hurricane Ivan was supposed to hit Florida. And so we left Tyndall Air Force Base and we came to my mom's parents' house, which is in Excel, which is by Mobile, Alabama. And it turns out Hurricane Ivan was way worse in Alabama than it was in Florida. And we were stuck there, and in this picture, this is my house. This is my mom's parents' house with everyone inside it, and there's...
I like where his grandma says, "Get back here." Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather each night. And tomorrow night, a young lady will be here asking a question about ice fog. We want to talk about that already? Okay, we're going to. Anyway, thanks again to Mount McKinley Bank. And as far as our forecast is concerned for the northern section, snow showers for Barrow, partly cloudy skies at Nome, and mostly cloudy skies in Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, a little mixed bag of weather, a few flurries for Fairbanks, mostly cloudy skies for Healy, and some isolated mixed rain and snow showers for the Delta Junction region. Over southeast Alaska, showers for Juneau, but just cloudy skies in Ketchikan. Well, out to the southwest, it looks like rain developing in Cold Bay, scattered showers for Kodiak, and mostly cloudy skies in Bethel. And over the south central regions, showers expected in the Anchorage Bull and also at Valdez with just partly cloudy skies at Homer. And our forecast for the remainder of the night, looking at clouds getting a little thicker throughout the night. Maybe even a few isolated snow showers are possible by morning. Overnight low, very chilly, 22 degrees once again. And as far as tomorrow's forecast, becoming partly cloudy and a little warmer, 39 degrees. And the 5-day outlook, look at those temperatures at the low levels, looking at overnight lows in the low to mid 20s. then slowly warming back up a little bit. Daytime highs will once again be hovering around that 40-degree mark, but no precipitation in the forecast. So we're going to continue with this drought, winter drought we're having right now.